It's the gift-giving season, and WestPoint Home wants to say thank you for doing business with them by celebrating Black Friday with a 40% off sale all day from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Friday, November 23rd. That's right, 40% off everything in the store, with the exception of some items that have even bigger savings. Get King Down Comforters, only $39.99. Jumbo Memory Foam Pillows, just $9.99. 1,000 thread count Queen Sheet Sets for $19.99. Bed, bath, and apparel, all 40% off all day, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. on Friday, November 23rd. From luxurious and absorbent towels to silky sheets, fluffy pillows, and home accessories for your home, condo, or vacation getaway. Start your holiday gift shopping while giving your own home a makeover without breaking the bank. It's the WestPoint Home Bed and Bath Factory Outlet Black Friday sale, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m., Friday, November 23rd, on Main Street in downtown Chipley, Florida, just a mile north of I-10 at exit 120. And let the holiday savings begin.